What's good, assholes? Sorry for lack of videos lately. For one, I have nothing to film. So I don't get fans all the time like everybody else. I just, I don't know. My market person working. Mom doesn't let the drive to get fans, so I don't get them off that much. I still get them a lot, but, I also been busy, Graduation party was yesterday, and this came from my uncle yesterday. Unknown what it is that white does the odds. I think it was called. Yeah, there it is. I don't know, this girl comes off. Think the light works because I don't want to find a bulb. I cleaned it today and installed it. Take a second yesterday. So I still don't have a tripod. I keep fucking forgetting to get one. But like I said, I've been busy, so sorry for lack of videos. We don't know what kind of thing this is. It's a good, decent thing though. It's not a total piece of shit. Like, it's on worldwide for a good breeze. Looks just what the whole breeze does, and I was just stating last year, but I don't know if it's all breeze. You just don't have all these that has these on there, which they look original. Because I didn't know they make silver ones like that. So I don't know if it's original or someone put those on there. They look original as well. Okay, if I don't bust my ass out of this fucking chair. Trying to make my videos a little better when I don't have a tripod. Our light looks a lot brighter on camera than it does in person. Looks better on camera than it does in person. Looks a little slow on camera. It's gonna give me I feel good my breeze. Feels like I used to be on a cheap piece of junk loafing. Speed-wise, it's not really high. It's like a normal medium, but airflow high. It feels like a high speed, pretty quick, and it's pretty powerful. Yeah, see, pretty good. Water's on high. Water on my floor because my bird just tiny bit bent time I've been seeing the lights off. It really looks like it's fine. So I can't reach the white good from the chair at all. Sad for how the camera look. Hi. I'm gonna get this spin down because my arms get tired. I showed you speeds longer than I have on the videos. But good. Alright, let me do a close up. It shows you the height and bulb in here. Can I go on and know how it comes off? These poles on top of brackets, blades, top of brackets, two pieces. It's funny, since the blade brackets themselves are pitched, well, it's got no blades on, but other than that, it still blows over here. And there's one tag of fish, it's only tag. So you go. Oh, sorry guys, I totally almost forgot to say this. I'm gonna go start the video because I'm just gonna do it differently. That's what I did, but that's why I did close-ups. But I forgot this, so do it now. I'm gonna speed up on her because I ain't waiting all day. Low speed. So I'm gonna get this room cleaned, pab again. I'm busy. And also why it's because I like the movies. I got stuff to do and just make videos. I go on vacation a lot with family. I have friends a lot. I go to my friend's house a lot. I'm just, I like to do stuff. I'm not a lazy boy like some ass and play video games for 12 fucking hours a day or night, how that goes. Till I reach my left hand, there's my right hand. Ow. Oh, what I do like about this and I also don't like it about this thing but the capacitor's right there. So you can see if it's blown up. If it's big, you can probably tell for taking it apart. But my thing is, if it's bad, how you take this apart, but I'll figure out. Like, so I ain't gonna get the gold off when to get off the cleaner, but I don't know how. Because I'm stupid, I guess. I'm a half fan like this, so hope that's well. Like, subscribe, and peace out. Peace.